Hi there, if you are new here, my name is Olayinka. I'm a good marketing expert and a software developer based in Lagos, Nigeria. It's 2023 and it's time to level up your digital marketing game. Whether you're a business owner or a freelancer, this is the time to seize all the opportunities that come with digital marketing and other online tools. But first, what exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing, sometimes called online marketing, is all about spreading the word about a product or a brand using the internet and digital tools. You can do this through mediums like emails, social media, online ads, and many more. So basically, any marketing that has to do with using digital methods, it's called digital marketing. Why is digital marketing such a big deal? Well, think about it. There are a whopping 5 billion internet users as at April 2022. So this means there's an enormous audience waiting for your message. Difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing. How does digital marketing compare to traditional marketing? Now let's break it down in simpler terms. In one corner we have digital marketing. This is when businesses uses the internet tools like social media, Google search, emails. And it's usually cheaper and easier to see if your campaigns are working or not. While on the other hand, we have traditional marketing. Now think of traditional marketing as your newspaper, TV ads, those big billboards that you see on the highway. It's usually pricier, harder to know if they're actually reaching the right audience or even working. Have you ever seen ads on Instagram or Facebook? And also those promotional messages that you see in your email or your inbox, those are adverts also, and some quick ads that you see when you open a YouTube video. Those are also digital marketing. Now, traditional marketing includes those ads that you see on your regular TV when you're watching your favorite shows. Those ads you see on billboards along the way when you're driving or going to work, or those you see in your local newspapers, or even here in the radio. Those are traditional marketing. Now, what type of digital marketing do we have? Digital marketing comes in various flavors. There are various channels for digital marketing. So, one, we have search engine optimization. This is the process of making your website show up higher in Google search engine results. We have content marketing. Content marketing is the creating and sharing of valuable content like articles, videos to attract and engage with your customers. Social media marketing, on the other hand, is using platforms like Facebook, Instagram to promote your product and connect with your customers. We also have pay-per-click marketing. Pay-per-click marketing is simply when you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your advert online. Another one is affiliate marketing. Now you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services on your website. You can either be the one offering the affiliate marketing to your customers or marketing using the affiliate system. We also have the native advertising. Native advertising is when an ad looks like a regular content on a website or platform. We also have influencer marketing. So influencer marketing is by partnering with popular individuals on social media to help promote your product or your brand. That is influencer marketing. Another type of marketing that we have is marketing automation. What this means is using softwares to automate repetitive marketing tasks like emails and social media posts. We also have email marketing. So this involves sending out promotional emails and newsletter to a list of email subscribers that you have gathered over time. We also have mobile marketing. Mobile marketing simply means promoting your product or service through mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. Now, what are the benefits of digital marketing? The benefits of digital marketing are a lot. So some of the benefits are broad geographical reach. Digital marketing enables businesses to reach a wide audience globally through online channels. It doesn't matter where your business is or who your target audience is, you can reach them anywhere. Cost efficiency. Digital marketing method offers cost less than the traditional marketing, making it more budget friendly for your business. Quantifiable results. Digital marketing allows for precise measurement and analysis of your campaign performance to determine its effectiveness. easier personalization. Digital marketing provides the tool to tailor your content and messages to specific individuals or groups. Better connections with your customers. Through digital marketing, businesses can engage with their customers on social media, email, and other online platforms, fostering a very strong connection. Easy and convenient conversion. Digital marketing often includes straightforward methods for customers to make purchases or take desired actions on your website or when it comes to filling in form. To sum it all up, digital marketing is essential for almost all business. It's a way to keep connections with your customers and make things for them. No other type of marketing offers this personalization that you get from digital data. So the more you dive into digital marketing, the more your business can grow and reach its full potential. Don't miss out on the opportunities that comes with digital marketing. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more exciting content like this. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to click the subscribe button and put your comment below and share this content. See you in the next post.